To create a repair order in Manage, navigate to the Inventory module and select Repair Orders. Use the search bar and status filter to locate repair history. Your ability to view and edit repair orders will depend on user permissions. It's important to note, repairs created in the system are solely applicable to serialized items and are influenced by patient sales and associated invoices. For items sold and linked to a patient, navigate to the patient record, find the item under HI Deliveries, click the ellipsis located on the right, and select Create Repair Order. In the Create Repair Order screen, you must input the repair reason and repair method to initiate the repair process. If the repair reason is set to send to supplier or replace, additional parameters will be displayed. Mandatory fields are indicated by asterisks and will turn red if left incomplete. If the information is available, enter the repair cost and add any repair notes. Click Create. When a repair order is in an open or in progress status, the status under HI Deliveries is updated to under Repair. When the repair is completed or closed, the repair order can no longer be edited. If required, a repair service invoice through the patient sale process can be generated. If a serialized item in your stock requires repair and is not linked to a patient, navigate to Stock Management. Open the product and search for the serial number. Ensure the item is in an available status. Select the ellipsis on the right. Select Create Repair Order to generate a repair order. Since the item isn't associated with a patient, only the repair reason is needed to start the repair order. Click Create to complete the process.